stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? If you clicked on this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Hope your day had went great so far. Hope you had a blessed day. If you haven't already, please check out my other videos. And if you are feeling my vibe, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Alright y'all, so this probably be a little short, another little short video. I'm gonna start making little long videos. Y'all be watching. Sorry. Let me see. I'm starting to use, years ago, right, I had long hair, a lot of hair, long hair. Like, I still have hair, but my hair would have been long because I wasn't really taking good care of my hair. So now I'm in the process of getting my hair back to how it was. And I called myself dyeing it because I want a new look this year, but it didn't come out the color that I want. As you can see, it's still like dark up here. It's supposed to be the color like of my braids, but you can only see it if you go out, if the sun boom and hit on it. So now I want to have to dye it again, but I want like a lighter brown. But anyway, that's not the point of the video. I really started, let me see, I got this probably about a week ago, right? Can y'all see it? Okay, I got this probably about a week ago. And I started using it, and it's called a CB Smooth Wild Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Growth Formula with Biotin, Niacin, and Rosemary. I'm lying to be gentle. Okay, there we go. Gentle for daily use, lightweight, non-greasy, improves scalp circulation, moisturize scalp, great for all hair types. So as I've been using it, I put it, let's see, and it's really not like the texture is really, it's not bad. It's not it's definitely not too greasy. It's not so I've been using it. So I'm going to probably see the results. You don't put it on your whole hair. You put it in your put it on your scalp. So now I just got to shower because it's part of like my routine, my nighttime routine. So what I do, I put it in my scalp. Top. You can just go down, and if you see like on my side, my edges. It's, I don't know if that comes from my scissors or I don't know, but I mostly do put here like this on scalp. So I'm going to just put this all through my scalp. So it's not on my hair. Alright, so then after I does that, kind of like take my hand on my scalp and massage it like in. And what I can say, since I have been using it, my hair been like making it like really itch more. I don't know, but like I don't know, but it's like it makes it itch more. And I do feel like a little at first, feel like a little tingling in it. It could have been all in my head, but who knows? But I want to see, because I'll probably be taking these out. I'll probably be taking these out probably close to the end of next month. So I'm going to see how it works. I mean, you know, do they do like any do any positive kind of impact on my hair. So I did get this from Amazon. I never used hair growth. This is my first time using like a hair growth oil. I never used it. So this is like my first time using it. So I'm going to see how it works. And again, this is how it looks again. So if y'all have any ideas or what kind of hair growth oil works for y'all, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. I have 4C type hair. Really thick, a lot of thick hair. 4C. So if you have any ideas, you know, or no, if you have any thing that works for you on 4C type hair, please let me know, because I want it really for me and my daughter, for all my kids basically, because they all got a lot of hair. My boys' hair is also growing. So I also need some stuff for their hair also, to stop the breakage and all that. So if y'all have any ideas, give me some recommendations that I could buy and that I could get. So that is all that I had to say on this video. And until next time, make someone smile, smile, be happy, positive vibes all 2023. Remember that, guys, okay? And until next time, see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Never stop, forget it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something